Hello everyone. Vishveshwaraya Technological University has contributed tremendously to the academic history of the Karnataka state. Apart from that, the university has also facilitated compulsory basic Kannada knowledge for the students studying in its ambit.
Learning local language of the region where you are pursuing your studies helps to mingle with the local society as well as lead an easy and comfortable professional career. Learning Kannada language helps you connect to the peers from this locality. Vishveshwaraya Technological University has mandated compulsory Kannada education and a pass grade for the completion of your BE degree. Let us know more about it from our principal, Dr. Niranjan Chiplunkar.
Dear students, you know that Vishveshwaraya Technological University VTU Belagavi has mandated Kannada course for all the engineering students coming under its purview. There are two different curricula which has been designed by the university, one for those who hail from states other than Karnataka, or more specifically for those students who do not know how to write, speak or converse in Kannada. Another course is for those who are having fluency in Kannada both to write, speak and converse. Now I am addressing the students who do not know how to write or speak or converse in Kannada. For you, there is a curriculum which has been designed and titled Vyavaharika Kannada.
Kannada is one of the classical languages of India and is the official language of Karnataka state. This language is not just confined to the borders of Karnataka state, but also spoken in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra and Goa. Altogether, about 70 million people speak Kannada. Spoken Kannada is in use since 2500 years and has its own script since 2000 years. Kannada is considered the third oldest language in India. In 1973, on 1st November, this state was named Karnataka instead of Mysore state. German priest Reverend Ferdinand Kittel developed the first Kannada English dictionary, which is also considered one of the premier works on Kannada language. In fact, Reverend Kittel wrote prominent books on Kannada language. The textbook Vyavaharika Kannada is presented here in 5 video lectures. First video provides a brief introduction to the course and chapter 1. Second video deals with chapter 2, Kannada letters of the alphabet and pronunciation. Third video deals with the third chapter, that is Kannada vocabulary for communication. Fourth video presents the usage of Kannada language in day-to-day life, and the last video deals with activities on conversation in Kannada language.
This particular curriculum has been designed and framed by the people who are really scholars in handling such issues, and I am happy that NMAM Institute of Technology NITTE has taken a step this time to introduce this particular course. With this particular course, we are very confident that you will be able to converse very easily with the people around you. As a part of this particular course, there will be 5 different units or chapters which have been given in the prescribed book prepared by VTU, and our faculty members under the able leadership of Head of the Department of Humanities Department, Madam Rashmi Hegde. They will be handling this course in the form of tutorials. Even the tutorial videos are being prepared, and this is the first video in that particular series for you students. I take this opportunity to wish all of you very happy learning, and also like any other course, there will be an evaluation throughout the course, and this particular course will have only continuous internal evaluation as decided by our institute. There will be 40% of evaluation done through assignments and 60% of the evaluation done through MCQ questions at the end of this particular study. So once again, I wish all of you happy learning, and I congratulate the entire Department of Humanities who has taken in lead in handling this particular subject for the benefit of all of you. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
According to the VTU guidelines, every BE student should compulsorily pass in Kannada language paper with minimum 40% marks in the continuous internal evaluation. Multiple choice question bank and assignment topics shall be updated shortly on the Moodle. Soft copy of the textbook Vyavaharika Kannada is also available on the Moodle. Our principal, Dr. Niranjan Chiplunkar, has constituted a committee led by the Head of the Department of Humanities, Professor Rashmi Hegde, and Assistant Professor Mr. Vishwanath to prepare these tutorial videos, question bank, and continuous internal evaluation process. Assistant Professors in the Department of Humanities, Mr. Sandeep Kharvi, Mrs. Sonia Lobo, Mrs. Sudhiksha Yaspai, and Mr. Srinivas Nekkar as resource persons. Mr. Harshavardhan Nitte of MCA with the technical support have come up with beautiful learning material in the form of videos. We believe that our efforts will assist you in learning basic Kannada knowledge. I wish you all the best learning experience. Jai Kannada, Jai Hind.